In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a free website with Durable AI Website Builder. We'll walk through the entire process from starting a project to delivering it to a client, and I'll share tips to make it smooth and fast. First, open your browser and go to durable.co. Create an account if you're new, then choose the option labeled Create Website with AI. This is the tool that will build your starter site automatically, so you don't have to begin from a blank page. It's straightforward and a great way to get something professional online quickly. Next, generate a client website. You'll be prompted to enter the client's business type and location. Be as specific as you can because the AI uses these details to tailor the content and layout. Once you confirm, Durable will auto-build a home page, a services page, and a contact page for you. This gives you a complete foundation in minutes. From there, customize the text to match the client's voice, swap in relevant images, and adjust the colors to align with their brand. If they have a logo, upload it and make sure the color palette supports it. Keep headlines short, make services clear, and check that contact information is accurate. From start to finish, expect this build to take about 5 to 10 minutes per site, especially once you get comfortable with the editor. When your draft looks solid, think about how you'll package and sell it. Simple, clear packages make it easy for clients to choose. A basic website can be offered in the range of $100 to $300, while a business website might be $300 to $600 if it includes more customization. For ongoing help, consider monthly maintenance between $30 and $100 per month. This could cover small updates, content tweaks, and routine checks. Ideal clients for this approach include local businesses, coaches, freelancers, and online sellers, people who need a polished presence without a complicated process. Set expectations up front, such as what's included, how many revisions are covered, and delivery time. Finally, deliver and get paid. Publish the site when the client approves the preview. Connect a custom domain they own or help them purchase one, then point it to the new site. Decide whether you'll hand over access so they can manage it or continue managing it for them under your maintenance plan. Make sure forms send to the correct inbox, test all links, and provide a brief handoff note so they know how to request updates. That's it. You've built, packaged, and delivered a professional website using Durable's AI Builder.